This is my breakfast, nutritious and delicious. First, I'm going to cut 2 potatoes in half. Then, I'll cut them into large pieces. I'll put these pieces in a pot and add a bit of salt, just the right amount to taste. Then, I'll add water. I'll add enough water to cover everything. I'm turning on the stove and letting it cook for 15 minutes. The potatoes are cooked now. I'll pass the potatoes through a strainer to drain the water. While they're still hot, I'll transfer them to another bowl. I'm going to mash the potatoes well. I want to get a nice smooth dough. All right, I've already mashed all the potatoes with the strainer. I'm just going to remove the excess that's left. With just 2 potatoes, we've got a generous amount of dough for our breakfast. Now, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of starch. I'll mix it well until the starch is fully integrated into the dough. Using the spoon, it's starting to get tough to mix, so I'll set the spoon aside and knead it with my hand. Now, I'm going to make a ball with the dough in my hand. I place it on the board and flatten it slightly. With a knife, I'll divide the dough into equal parts. I'm going to set some pieces aside. I'll keep one piece, add starch, and start rolling. This way, I'll add plenty of starch so it doesn't stick. It's a bit of effort, but it'll be worth it, I assure you. The taste of this dough is irresistible. Now, with the knife, I measure 2 fingers and cut it this way. I'll repeat this with all the dough. This is a very versatile recipe. You can cut into larger or smaller pieces if you prefer. With the fork, I press lightly. Besides looking nice, these marks help make them crispier. See how easy it is? Now that I've finished them all, I'm going to put them in the hot oil. I place them one by one in the oil. If you prefer, you can bake them. They're great that way too. In the oven or air fryer, they're delicious. I'm going to fry them in oil because it's quicker and more practical. I'll add them until the pan is full. I'll let them fry until they're nicely golden. Now that they're golden, I'll turn them over to fry the other side. You can add cheese if you want. It's great for breakfast. I'll turn everything over and wait for the other side to brown. Now that they're nicely golden, I'll take them out of the oil. I'll let them drain and place them on the plate. I take them all out and fry the rest. And here it is, ready to be enjoyed. It's delicious, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. To accompany, I'll use mayonnaise and a bit of ketchup. It's wonderful.